Stereo D-Lab with a Father's Day tech tip for your guitar amps. If you want to reduce some of that noise, take a look at this. So let's take a listen to this basement amp with the volume all the way down, just idling. You hear that little bit of a scratchy sound? Hear the rumble in the pots? You may think that that is a bad pot, but if you look at some of the future designs of amplifiers, you'll see these things they call grid stoppers go into the preamp tubes. So taking a look at your schematic, you'll see that the wiper arm of the volume control simply goes direct to the preamp tube. There's just a black wire that goes right to the pot. So if you take a look at a pot, you've got a carbon path, and then this center terminal is a wiper arm, and there is an actual metal little wiper that's panning across that carbon path. Okay, so there is a mechanical linkage between the center tab and that wiper arm. It's a metal to metal contact area, which can easily produce noise, especially on the sensitive grid of a preamp tube. So we're going to add grid stopper resistors. The typical value is about 1.5K. We're going to add those off the volume controls, go into the preamp tubes, and see if this is gone. Alright, so the little grid stoppers are installed. They're going to pin 7 of each of the 12AX7s. Now you can see when I'm turning the pot, pretty much all that rumble is gone. It makes a big difference. It's not going to solve all of your noise problems, but I guarantee you'll definitely hear a big difference in the rumble factor when you're turning up volume controls.